Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty, where I'm going to show you how you can craft the wooden shovel on this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty on your game, and once you start playing, in order to craft the wooden shovel, you will first need to unlock the ability to chop down trees. In order to do this, you will need to craft the stone axe. In order to craft the stone axe, you will simply need to collect 2 stones and 10 sticks. You can find both of these items laying around on the ground. After collecting both of these items, you can go into the crafting menu using the Q button and then craft your desired stone axe. After this, you can use the stone axe in order to chop down various different trees. After chopping down the trees, you can collect the log from these trees, and once you have collected the logs, you can go back to the crafting menu and simply choose the wooden shovel option. After you select it, it will be crafted right away. And now you can equip this item within any of your desired slots. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the wooden shovel on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.